Welcome to Gayathri's Cook Spot. I'm Gayathri Kumar and today I'll show you how to make homemade mawa or khova the easy way in microwave. Okay, you can also use stove top to do this. We just are going to use this to make this mawa cake in the next video. So I'm taking dairy whitener, everyday dairy whitener 200 grams in a microwave safe bowl, and I'm going to add 250 milliliters of Amul fresh cream, the blue pack. The smaller pack comes in 250 milliliters, so you just add the whole pack inside and mix both until everything is, there are no dry ingredients left in the bowl. You can also take these two ingredients in a saucepan and you can cook it on low flame to make a stout up version. And it also takes lesser time than the regular mawa that we make from milk, because you need 2 or 3 hours of continuous stirring when it comes to mawa made from milk. This microwave mawa also tastes almost same like the regular mawa. Now first I'm microwaving it for 60 seconds on high. You remove it from the microwave and just stir it nicely to distribute heat evenly. Okay. Then you go for the second microwave again for 60 seconds. You can see the texture is changing now. It looks more bubbly and less liquid. Again, stir it nicely to distribute heat evenly, and then I'm going to return it back to the microwave for another 60 seconds. At this point you can see that there is very little cream remaining and it's almost dry. Now again stir it well until it mixes evenly, the heat is distributed evenly. I'm going to stop at this point. I'm going to allow the mawa to cool completely and then I'll be using it in my cake. Okay, so once it cools down, the texture of the mawa will be thick. But if you want a drier mawa, you have to cook it for another 1 minute in microwave. So according to the consistency you need, you can change the cooking time. Okay, you can just use this mawa directly to make the cake. I'll post in my next video how to make the cake. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.